Hello everyone. Today I like to share some of the important tips that will be very helpful for the beginners to improve their sketches instantly. Okay. As a beginner, how I draw is like I straight away go to this left eye. This was my approach previously. I draw like this, and then I draw the mouth, you know, and then I draw the face, and then whichever then comes to my mind, I just go with that. By doing this way, we have plenty of chances of losing the character itself, right? The character might go off proportionate, and also we will lose the line of action. Like if you see this character is inclined like this, but my character is standing straight, and my legs, I don't have room already for drawing my leg. So we are, and also the character itself is not looking like this girl, so to avoid this, right, to get instantly to improve your drawing skill, I like to share three things I learned from my professional colleagues. Those things are these 3 points. The first thing is analyze overall shape, right? So we need to analyze the overall shape before even talking about line of action, I would say. Like analyzing overall shape, like you just squeeze your eyes and then look at this character and analyze what is the major shape of this character, right? If you see, it is nothing but a big huge cylinder, right? It is something, a huge cylinder, it is there, and then there is another small conical cylinder. It is inverted downwards. That's it, right? This is the analysis you need to make, and then we need to analyze the line of action. What is line of action? The next thing we need to consider about line of action is how the character is standing, whether it's standing straight, or it is standing inclined, or it is standing with shifted its weight in with one leg, or it planted with two legs. Considering line of action, first thing we need to draw is the center line of the body. Okay, where is the center line of the body? It's somewhere here, right? Right. And then it goes, the head goes like this, and it's coming like this. So this is the center of, this is the line of action. And then second point is in line of action is we need to be careful with the center of gravity. So where this hip line and the body line meets, this center point, this is called center of gravity, which is called COG. This center of gravity point, this center point should never come out of the edge of the feet. Like it should not, say for this is the leg, right? The leg will go like this. If this comes out of here, right, then the character can't stand, it will fall down, right? So you should always keep your center of gravity inside the edge of the feet. Even if a character is standing like this, the center of gravity should be here. You can see the character is well balanced. Even if it is standing with one leg, still the center of gravity will be like somewhere here, and then it's not going out of the feet. So you should always consider keeping the center of gravity between the feet, right? It might go out of the feet if the characters are flying in the air like a Spider-Man. So whenever they are on the ground, we should always consider, we should always obey the physics, right? This is the second point. The third point is very important point, because as a beginners, we know each single small tips is really big thing for us. For professionals, it's nothing, but as a beginners, I know the pain of that. So I felt as when I know about this third point, I felt really happy. Like, wow, this is amazing thing. This I should have known this long time before itself. So I really want to share this third point, which is straight against curve. So let's analyze, hide this layer, and talk about that third point, straight against curve. What is straight against curve? Straight against curve is, while drawing like a straight line, the opposite line should be a curved line, and it should not it should not start parallelly. It should be offsetted. Like, you need to break the symmetry of it. Like, if you are drawing a straight line, the opposite curved line should start a little bit either earlier or then later, and it should end before that, right? And then if this line is a straight line, and you can make a curved line next, and then the straight line, then and then the straight line and the curved line. Like, you can, while applying this in your drawing will get more force, and your pose looks more strong. So I really want to share these 3 points to you guys. So let's find out whether this character have the straight against curve applied here, right? You can see a straight line and the curved line, and again straight line and the curve. Forget about minor details, right? After this curve, then we have straight line, and then the curve is going here, right? And straight line and the curved line, and a complete curve and the straight line. Okay, and here it is like a curve, a straight, and then curve, a straight, curve, curve, straight and curve, and then straight line. The opposite to that is a curved line, and if you see here also, it's a straight line and curved line. Straight line opposite to that is a curved line. Same way, straight, curve, same, curve, straight, and curve. Opposite is straight, and opposite to that is curve. Same, curve, straight. When you apply this kind of things in your drawing will instantly look little professional. Like, you will be always wondering, you put lots of effort in drawing the things, but still there is something missing, right? That is because of these things. There are many rules or principles like this in drawing pictures. If you know one by one slowly, if you apply those things, your drawing instantly will look more professional. Like, just imagine if this is a leg or something. Like, you can see instantly it looks more strong. Previously we used to draw like this, something like this, but now this looks more strong. This is not actual anatomical shape, but just roughly I'm saying, you'll get an idea, I hope. Like, you can see like strong straight line, and then the curved line. Even with the character standing, if you draw a straight line and then the curved line, something like that, straight and curve, it looks more strong when you do that. So that's the point here. Okay, so even here, like straight and curve. So I hope you like this video. I hope it's very helpful for the beginners. Please support my channel by subscribing it, and also please share this video to your friends if you think it's useful for them as well. Thank you so much.